Hello everyone, I am Abhishek, creator of Trace, an AI-powered travel assistant designed to help you pack smarter and travel stress-free. In this video, I will walk you through everything Trace has to offer. So let's get started. So what is Trace? Trace is your personalized packing assistant. It creates AI-powered packing list based on your destination, trip dates, weather, and travel trends, ensuring you never forget any essential item. In Trace, trips are organized into what we call spaces. When you create new space, you enter your destination and trip duration, and Trace take care of the rest. So Sydney and 23, 29. Now while your space is being created, let's talk some cool feature that make Trace even better. Adapt reminder. Trace adjust how often you get notified based on how close your trip is. At first, you will get reminder at longer interval, but as your departure date get closer, notification become more frequent, helping you stay on track. And with reverse packing, Trace remind you to pack everything back before returning. No more forgetting charger or toiletries in hotel room. Trace is available on both Android and iOS, and your trip are securely stored, so you can access them from any devices. Alright, our space is ready. Now let's check out how you can manage your packing list. Your packing list is divided into categories so you can find everything quickly and stay organized. Easily add new item, edit quantities, or remove anything you don't want. Exciting news, our Android beta program is live. You can test new feature before anyone else. Just click the link in the description to join. We are also building a community on Discord where you can share feedback, request features, and connect with other travelers. Join us today. That's a wrap. Download Trace now and experience a smarter way to pack. Thank you.